If you need the best site work, debris management, and cleanup for commercial or industrial projects, Champion Contracting can help. Providing land clearing for over 20 years. Champion Contracting provides a personal service and have a reputation for high-quality work. The company has built a solid reputation for fitting in with clients' workflow schedules to keep projects on track. They have the knowledge and experience to deliver top-quality work on time and on budget across any project. They can handle jobs of any size while offering personalized solutions. Get in touch today to see how they can help you. Find out more at floridacontractor.com.